Alright, so yo, check it out. We are on the road again, so we got a double road trip. So I'm headed out to Duarte, which is a lot closer than Bakersfield. And I'm gonna pick up my cruiser, man. I picked up a cruiser, a Vert, a 1990, I believe. I don't remember because I bought the car like last year and I'm just about to go pick it up right now from one of my faithful YouTube homeboys, Jordan, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we just hit a little bit of traffic, but we're about to be there in a little minute to go pick it up and bring it home. So apparently it had some body issues. It was in like a rear-ended or something, and the transmission is jacked up. So I don't know if you guys remember the white Mustang that I had in the yard. That mug has got a good good transmission in it. So yeah, we're gonna flow with that and put that in and take this old raggedy transmission out, the AOD. So who knows, I might end up doing a video about rebuilding the AOD. It might be something useful for one of you guys. So yeah, I'll do a video on that. All right, so yeah, let's get back on this road real quick. Let me pay attention to this road, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So we in the hood now. We at the spot to pick up this Vert. I don't know, man. Most people, they get the Verts and then they part them out, and I'm like, man, that seems like a fun car to me, man. I don't know why they get the Verts and they start to acting weird. There it go. I see it. He's back there, ready to go. All right, let's do it. All right, so there it is. So yeah, I mean, it's got a nice little hood on it. I don't know if it's not held down, so we gotta do something to keep that down. And yeah, we got a little problem right here. Something to do with this fender is all bad. Let's see, look at that. Got hit pretty good back here. What's going on with you, man?
Oh, am I on WhatsApp?
Am
I on the show?
You're dang right. Yeah, Tony. Man. What's going on with you, man?
Hi, Tony.
Yes, sir. Yes,
sir. I'm Jordan. I'm Jordan. How you doing, Tony? Good to see you, man.
Yeah, hanging in there like a hubcap in the fast lane, man. There you go.
See, I told you I kept my end up.
Yeah. It's on there, ready to go, huh? From yesterday, yeah. I was like, dang, he already got it on there.
I did.
And they go to project. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Oh yeah. There we go. What's going on over there?
Yeah.
It looks like, oh, it is.
What? Tell me.
Here you come. With the 5.0. That's why I made Venice Beach. You looking broke. It's not me. It is. Welcome home. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so we can just pull up and then back it off and push it into space. Yeah, in my 5.0.
Guys at Jones Brothers Auto Parts. My name is Gerard Sellers. We've been specializing in brake drums and rotors, resurfacing, bearings, pressed on and off for the last 70 years. And anytime you guys need your rotors resurfaced or you want to get some new rotors, high performers or regular performers, brake pads, shoes, bearings or hubs, come on down and give us a call, or come on down and we'll take care of you.
So we are at Jones Brothers Brakes and Rotors out here in South Central LA. So check it out. All the places that I've been to, they always told me they could not turn drilled and slotted rotors, okay? This is the one place in town that I know for sure that I can come and they can do it. I'm talking about skills. Brother that got skills to pay the bills, you know what I mean? So check it out. He's about to throw it on the machine right now and turn them and show them how it's done, all right?
Yeah. And the part where you still see black is where the rotors is
wop.
There you go. Exactly. Have some low spots in it, but that lathe is gonna take all of that out. When he's ready to stop, he's gonna stop nice
and smooth. With no chatter. Yeah. And guys, this is something that you should do. And even on newer rotors, you still gotta check them, man. You bring them into Jones and have them checked. So man, when I tell you that I started this company, Junkyard Dogs, for companies like this that are like grassroots, down in the trenches, doing the damn thing, all right? This is the kind of spots that I look up to. And this is why I started my company, to popularize this kind of business, you know what I mean? Let's do it. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
He on his way.
Oh yeah. Nice. You got it good to go. Right on.
Wow, look at that.
Yep, ready to go.
And they told me he couldn't turn it.
He done. That's it.
Told me he couldn't turn it. You know what I'm saying?
That's it, baby.
How many times are these guys putting horsepower in the car and can't stop the damn car?
Man, I'm telling you, I know. I deal with and see it happen every day.